Hi Ray, almost there. Uh, some of the CSS has changed. It was working, but anyway, we'll get there. So the tick boxes here, they just need to be all combined centered. So the gap here is bigger than the gap here. The spacing in between here is missing. So the gap that's there should be in between there. If I make it a bit bigger, so I think it's still the same here. So the gap there is not as big as what the gap is there, and the gap that is there, the line spacing gap, should be in between there and there. I think that's it. I think once those issues are done, we are fine. I'm just having a quick final look. Oh no. So what's going on here? These ticks here should be aligned to the left, and the copy on the next line should be aligned. So every and one should be like a bulleted list. So the tick would be there, but the copy, there's like a margin that runs down there. So what else? Is there anything else? I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. So if we could do that, that would be great. Okay, thanks Ray. Cheers.